Welcome back to CryptoVault. In this video, we will talk about Ethereum coin. Ethereum, all you need to know to decide if this crypto is worth the investment. Cryptocurrencies have skyrocketed in popularity recently, and this trend shows no signs of slowing. Given all the talk around these digital assets, you might be wondering whether now is the time to invest. But before pulling the trigger, it's always a good idea to have an understanding of the underlying asset. Cryptocurrency is no exception, and it is quite different than investing in stocks or bonds. Therefore, we will cover a popular blockchain technology called Ethereum. Like many blockchains, Ethereum has a native coin called Ether. Let's take a closer look at what Ethereum is and whether you should consider investing. What is Ethereum? Ethereum is an open-source, decentralized blockchain technology. Ethereum's native coin is called Ether. This coin is one of the largest cryptocurrencies by market capitalization, second only to Bitcoin. Although Ether has a smaller market cap than Bitcoin, Ethereum is the most widely used blockchain. What is Ethereum worth? Like many cryptocurrencies, the price of Ether has fluctuated greatly since it launched in 2015. Back then, its price was around $1 and stayed there for several months. The price reached $1,358 in January 2018, its highest price ever at the time. The price began to fall, as did the price of many cryptocurrencies. Ether bottomed out at $83 in December 2018. The price has ebbed and flowed since then, but has risen overall. At the beginning of April 2020, the price was around $140. And as of May 18th, it is at around $3,349 according to CoinDesk. That's a pretty hefty increase in just over a year. However, it's since gone down to $1,848 as of June 25th. Should you invest in Ethereum? If you decide to invest in Ether, you should first ask yourself why you are investing. Although the price of the coin has risen substantially over the past year, it can be extremely volatile. Thus, if you buy Ether simply hoping the price will rise, you may end up frustrated. On the other hand, the Ethereum blockchain can be used for many different applications, said Tally Greenberg, head of business development at Allnodes. Ether is the cryptocurrency required for any transaction made on Ethereum, a blockchain network of applications. A blockchain, on the other hand, is a technology with limitless potential. It doesn't rest on Ethereum alone, and can be used to make a difference in our future with or without cryptocurrencies. Sam Bretzman, the owner of Blocklink, agrees with this sentiment. The difference here is that instead of investing in individual projects, which may or may not make it, you can invest in the infrastructure. You can think about it like this. Go back to 1999, and instead of having to try and pick which up-and-coming businesses will survive, you get to just pick the internet and invest in that. This article is part of GeoBanking Rates Economy Explained series to help readers navigate the complexities of our financial system. Ethereum predictions by Finders panelists. The Finders panel consisted of a number of prominent panelists. Present were Dr. Ewa Salami from the University of East London, Ku of BitBull Capital, Sara Bergstrand, Vishal Shah, CEO of Alfie 5, head economist at Consensus, Lex Sokolin, amongst others. A good number of the panel seemed to agree that while the coin might not have much further to run this year, the next 4 years is going to see a massive run. If you've watched this far, please smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and check out the link in the description to join our community of traders, business owners, and investor. CEO Vishal Shah was on the more conservative side. He predicted that the coin would not be worth much more than it is now, putting it at just $4,000 by 2025. Shah believes that Ethereum will continue to perform, but that the unlimited supply of the coin is a demerit to it. He also added that Ethereum was in a race with other protocols for its usability profile, and that there are other faster and cheaper chains that will rival the coin in the future. Others did not see this as a befitting forecast, citing the upgrades being done on the network. Sara Bergstrand, Chief Operations Officer at BitBull, gave a price prediction of $100,000 per ETH by the end of 2025, a staggering forecast. She believes that mass adoption of Bitcoin will be followed by mass adoption of Ethereum. Also that the upgrades being carried out on the network will help to push the price higher. Dr. Paul Ennis put his prediction at $10,000 by the end of 2025, stating that Ethereum is currently undervalued. Dr. Salami went on to give the coin a $20,000 forecast by 2025. This brought the average of the panel's predictions to $19,842 per ETH by 2025. Ethereum breaks $2,000. What you should prepare for. Ethereum has been struggling a lot in the past months, following the general crashing pattern of the market in recent months. The coin reached a new high of over $4,000 before falling back down following the market crash over a month ago, losing over 50% of its value in a matter of weeks. But despite this, the coin has persevered. A week ago, Bitcoin fell below the $30K stronghold. Following this, Ethereum lost its footing at its $2,000 stronghold and fell below. At first, it looked as if the coin would not recover. The whole market seemed to be sinking further into a bear. But all is not lost. Ethereum has since regained back some control. Its price is back up in the green. Bull run after $2,000. A bull rally for Ethereum does not seem unlikely at this point. There are projects going on the Ethereum blockchain that encourages the use of the coin. The scalability alone of Ethereum puts it in a remarkable position to post another recovery. Projects like ETH 2.0 will completely revolutionize the crypto industry. Once the lower fees are implemented, it means that the bottleneck with small transactions will be solved. Lower fees mean the coin can be used more as a currency instead of an investment asset. Staking is also another big driver for Ethereum. People can stake their ETH in liquidity pools and get rewarded in tokens. Given this, more people are buying ETH coins for the sole purpose of staking. Staking ETH is less complicated than trading too. It gives investors a low entry point to get into the market without risking too much. These little entries, albeit small individually, add up over time to increase the market cap of Ethereum. Ethereum London hard fork. Ahead of the London hard fork, Ethereum has seen a bit of increase in the past days. The London hard fork is scheduled to take place in July. It is scheduled to happen packaged with the EIP 1559 as part of efforts to scale the network. If you learned something new from this video, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to keep you updated. Thank you.